This is the two options we have on the LS460. The way they put all the spare parts, this is not the way they have to put the spare parts. The backside also again same story guys, lot of parts, and without any care guys, just they throw all the covers to the back seat. Well, this is the thing guys, somebody called me and he told me he have a really special car. He wanted me to go and see the car. Should my friend buy this car or not? The new LS500 2018. Hey guys, welcome to another video. This is AzooL from AzooL channel, and yes, welcome to my third video about rebuilding my friend LS460 2014 guys. Yeah, so unfortunately last 2 days guys, I couldn't make more videos about the cars. Basically me and my friend are all busy to go around and looking for the spare parts, but today I try my best to come in here and exactly show what exactly has been worked done to this car and what they're gonna do, what will be the future, what exactly will be the next step. Before that guys, I never show you the car properly from inside or outside, just a small clip, that's all. So first of all what we're gonna do, we're gonna take a small look about the car itself, and from inside, from the option. Basically I didn't know that the car is short, not large as well guys. First of all, we're gonna check everything about the car, then we're gonna see what exactly has been done to the car and how long does he need to be finished. This is also a good question guys. Make sure to comment down below and tell me from third day guys, how long more we need to the car will be fixed, like how many days do we need guys. Yeah, let's go and start the video. Okay, so what we're gonna do guys, we're gonna start with the option guys. First of all, this is a 2014 460 normal base, because we have two options for the LS460. We have the large option and of course we have the short base. This is actually the short base. The only difference between large and short is from the the parts. The main part will be different, only is the rear door, that's all. And of course when the rear door is different, all the frame from the back, everything from the roof as well, it's got more wilder guys, and that's all. From the front of itself, from the headlight, from the door, from the fender, other parts, everything are the same. This is the two options we have on the LS460, starting from 2007 till exactly 2016 or 17. I'm a little bit confused. Sometimes I say 16, sometimes I say 17. I think it will be 17 because the last generation for the LS400 comes only with the 2017, and of course 2018 it's the new generation LS500. So if you're gonna go more on deep side guys, what else will be the difference between the options? And of course the other option this car doesn't have is the F Sport package. Basically we have two options for the car. Normal one like this one, and of course we have other one, it's called the F Sport. Not too crazy about the engine or some other stuff guys. Most of the parts are exactly the same. The only small change is from the brake pad, from the brake caliper, and of course from the brake disc, and little bit change from the interior. Like there's lots of logos mentioned. This car will be the F Sport. Example, one of them will be in the headrest guys, they mention F Sport, and the other one will be on the steering wheel down, they say F Sport. Except that there's no any crazy change. Of course we have the F Sport rim as well. Basically they changed, this is have to be noticeable. That's the rim also, it changed. This is the only difference between the normal and F Sport package guys. And except that I cannot say there's more option in the car. We have two options, long, short, and of course F Sport and normal one. So basically this is, I can say, the mid option. This is the normal one, short, and of course not F Sport. So except that, let me go climb inside and little bit show you about inside guys. I'm a little bit worried about how sometimes garage are working, because this is actually a really new car, and of course from interior also it was really clean. This was, I cannot blame them, because already I saw from the beginning on the tires, like Samir told me, somebody just put on the tire. Also as you can see, they removed a little bit the leather from here. And the second thing guys, I can blame the garage really much the way they put all the spare parts, this is not the way they have to put the spare parts. They have to have a special place, a special shelf to put all those parts to not damage from interior, guys. And let me see from backside also again same story, guys. Lot of parts and without any care, guys. Just they throw all the covers to the back seat. This is I don't like it. This is another sign I can see those people was not careful about the car, guys. And let's see what else do I need to know. Same thing goes on the backside, guys. Lot of spare parts, lot of stuff, but without any care, just store it on the back of the car. Update what exactly they done to this car. Actually, I can say nothing has been on the major side. Nothing has been working on this car, guys. I'm really upset about the garage a little bit, guys, but what to do? This is actually my friend car, and of course he knows where he should. The garage know their work, they are professional. Maybe they're a little bit messy, but the way they work, he's happy with them. So as you can see, the garage is a little bit rushed, guys. Many cars, and this is actually my friend other car as well. He bought it and they didn't find any place from it, guys. But the thing is, they already opened some parts from the back, from interior as well. I'm not sure what they're gonna do. They're gonna fix it as soon as possible, guys. I have to go to other place, guys, which they bring all crash, guys. I'm really excited. This is the thing, guys. Somebody called me and he told me he have a really special car. He wanted me to go and see the car, and this is the good news as well. My friend is interested to buy that car, guys. I'm not gonna mention who is he, but once everything is confirmed, guys, I'm gonna tell you who is he, and of course hope so you're gonna let us to record how you're gonna fix the car. The most interesting thing is this car is really special, and of course it's my favorite car of all time. That I can buy it. Hope so one day, guys. Enough talking crazy, guys. Let's go. We're gonna check the car. Once I reach there, I'm gonna tell you which car is that. Let's go. Yes, I came to this place, and as you can see, it's really hard to know which car is this, guys. But yeah, this is the new LS500, the new generation for the LS, guys. Yeah, from this angle it doesn't look at all this will be the Lexus, guys. Yeah, believe me, this is the Lexus LS500. So what we're gonna do, guys, my friend sent me here to check the car properly and make him the list and give him a proper quotation. What exactly item does he need this car, and of course how much the main part, how much the car gonna cost him to fix it with the parts, guys. Yeah, this car is actually really rare. Not many people have the spare parts. I'm really happy, my friend. So I'm really happy my friend gave me this mission, guys. So this is the plan. And first of all, we're gonna check the car completely. Then I'll be back. Then we're gonna see where's the accident and what exactly items do we need for this car to fix it, guys. This is really special there for me, guys. Really love about the LS, and of course I can see in front of me the LS500. Really excited, guys. Anyway, it's kind of cold as well. Have to be a little bit hurry, guys. Let's go. We go check the car. Then we're gonna see where's the accident and what exactly items do we need. And at the main part, should my friend buy this car or not? The new LS500 2018. So right now we know where's the accident on the back side, and of course a little bit on the front side as well. So what I'm gonna do, guys, off the camera, take my list, guys, and make a proper list what exactly item this car needed. After that, I'm gonna do some calculation. I'm gonna think a little bit where I can get the items from the used, from the new, and whenever I can get it. Then I'm gonna see what will be the price to fix this car, guys. Yeah, let me do this all stuff, then I'll be back. Then I'm gonna explain you what will be the next plan. Oh. Okay, so this is the LS500 2018. Of course, everyone knows we don't have anymore the 8-cylinder. We have the 6-cylinder twin turbo. Let's start from the crash of this car. The first thing, guys, we're gonna start with the front of the car, guys. From the right side, headlight, fender. The door actually looks good. So this car has been accidented on the two places, guys. One will be on the left side front, and of course on the bonnet, and the other will be on the back side, on the rear side, right side. Yeah, this is the main impact for the car, guys. On the right side, this car accident on the two places, on the back side, right side, on little bit on the left front. Yeah, we need a complete door back on the right side, guys, and of course trunk, rear bumper, lot of mechanic part, guys, from this place, and lot of electrical part as well, guys. I can see this is the BCM, which sensor car on your side. Then after that there will be on signal on the side mirror, so it's gonna allow you to, it's gonna give you a sign there's any car or not. They call it BCM. And except that, there's be more spare parts in back of this trunk, guys, like amplifier or some other mechanic, some other computers, guys. We have to buy this completely, like cut. Okay, on the front of this car, guys, LS500, we need of course the complete bumper as well, because the bumper is all over the place, is damaged. And except that, on the right side, guys, on the left side, the fender is damaged. And as you can see, this is how the bonnet look for this car. Actually not good at all. And yeah, this is the car. And yeah, of course, I forgot, guys, this is the LS500 F Sport package, guys. The F Sport package have the special rims, and of course from the interior is totally changed. Let's go, we're gonna check the interior. So this is the interior, guys. I already explained you, this is the F Sport package. As you can see, we have the amazing looking red leather, little bit the black stripe, and of course we have the famous F Sport icon on the headrest, guys. Yes, this is amazing, guys. From interior, they clean. The only 2 airbag damage we have on the roof, and of course one will be on the rear seat. That's all. There's no any airbag damage on the dashboard, on the steering wheel, on the knee, nothing else, guys. I'm getting love on this car. This is the first time I'm looking a new LS500 from interior, guys, and I'm just speechless. I love how the way this car look, like redesigned. I just love the interior for the new LS500. So right now I am on the way to meet up my friend Samir again, guys. The reason I'm putting the Google map here, because I just called him and he told me he's a really far place. Normally I don't go that much far, because so normally my work is always on the industry number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till exactly till 6, not more than 6, guys. I called them and he told me he have a work in industrial number 17. Oh my god, that'll be really far. So he told me just come here, he have a special car he want to show me, and he have work on there as well, guys. We're gonna see what exactly he's doing, and of course which car he's driving right now, and yeah, then we'll see what will be the plan. Let's go. So not good news. My friend just called me and he told me I have to go somewhere, and of course we catch him up to see the car, guys. So he was driving the new Mercedes G-Class G63, and unfortunately he have to go somewhere very in hurry, guys, because the car was like already sold. He have to give it to the customer. So unfortunately we cannot catch him up to check the car, but he promised me, he told me upcoming week, guys, there's another G-Class is coming, the Mercedes pure matte black, and of course he told me that's like limited edition, something like that. He said once that car reach, I'm gonna show you properly, even also maybe he gonna let us to drive the G-Class. So right now what I'm gonna do, go to my shop, guys. From 2-3 days, like I was not in the shop at all. Like most of the people call me. I was 24 hours with Samir trying to get some videos about the Lexus 460, and of course live it at the same time, at the same day, at night, guys. It's really big challenge for me, guys, but I try my best. 2 days it's good. Now we're gonna try on the 3rd day, guys. And of course I get lots of motivation with your comments, guys. Make sure to comment down, and of course support us and give us your feedback. What do you think about this kind of videos? You guys enjoy, you guys are getting any benefit from this videos or not, guys? Because the main thing, I try my best to of course give you a little bit entertainment, should show you what exactly how the market look, and give you some knowledge. This is the main part, guys, to give you some knowledge, give you some information about the market. So make sure comment down and tell me, do you guys enjoy this? Do you get any benefit about this kind of videos or not? Let's go to my garage. Let's see where's the customer, how is my business today. So right now I just reached to my shop. As you can see, just right now I reached to my shop, guys. As always, mashallah, lot of cars, lots of people are working. Let's go inside the office. Actually today it's really cold. I don't expect that to be that much cold in. So this is end of this video, guys. Today to be honest, guys, I was planning to go to garage once more, but what happened exactly, it's too late as well. If I want to go from industrial number 6 to industrial number 4, which that garage is located, it's gonna take me easy 1 hour, and I don't have time to record any cars. But today I was really excited. I'm really happy what exactly we did today, guys. We checked the LS500 car. Hope so, my friend, it will be interesting. Hope so you're gonna buy it. Right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna sit to my office, guys, and check a little bit the parts for the LS. What exactly items do I need to buy from the genuine part from the company, because I have the system so I can check here everything. So properly I need parts from the front of the car. I'm gonna show that as well. Alaikum salam.